I don't know if this is gonna work, but there's a big chunk of concrete missing here. I'm gonna try to dry pour fix it. I'll start by digging here. Just dug it out. It's pretty thick. Pretty thick. And let's put a piece of wood here. All right, we're just gonna hold it in place with the old piece of wood. The old piece of concrete, the piece of wood here. And we're gonna start our dry pour. Let's do it. All right, 80 pounds of concrete, heavy dry mix going in the hole. 80 pounds wasn't quite enough. Here comes another 60 pounds of concrete going in the hole. All right. Didn't take quite all of the 60 pounds. We'll try to smooth this stuff out, see what we got. All right, it's filled in. Not a perfect job, but no. Oh my goodness, you stepped on it. Let's get to it. All right, I kind of got it out. Now, we're gonna just wet it. Light mist. Yeah, very light. This is not perfectly smooth, so I don't want, this doesn't have to be perfectly smooth. Okay, we'll let that kind of cure, and we'll just see how it goes from there. See what happens. All right, it's been some time. It's not completely dry. You can see it's still discolored. When it dries, it's going to be like the other slab I have over there. It turns into the same color as the rest of it, but it's cured pretty good. And see, the wood's already coming apart from it. Oh yeah, yeah, look how sharp that is. Very nice. Can you jump on it, Lena? Wow. Wow, look at that. Great job. Is it perfect? Yes, it's perfect. Do I care that it's perfect? Yes, I do. And that's how... This is the old piece that was there. Ugh. And it's replaced with this nice new one. It's just like a nice... It works out nicely. So, yeah, when it completely dries out, it should look pretty uniform. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.